Hey everybody, it's AutoMine. More and more people are taking control of their car repairs, and I love it. But just like any good heist needs a plan, any good mechanic needs the right tools. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just starting out, this video is your guide to building the ultimate DIY mechanic toolkit. Let's dive into the essentials that'll turn your garage into a pro-level workspace. First up, the foundation of any toolkit, the socket set. Whether you're just getting started or upgrading your gear, this is where it all begins. A good socket set is like the backbone of your mechanical work. Versatile, reliable, and always ready to go. Get a quality set with both metric and SAE sizes, so you're covered no matter what kind of fasteners you run into. Cars, bikes, furniture, different jobs call for different standards, and having both ensures you're never stuck. And make sure the sockets are made from durable chrome vanadium steel. This material resists wear, handles high torque, and won't round off bolts, even after years of use. It's the kind of quality that pays off over time. A smooth ratchet with a comfy grip is a must. You'll be using it constantly. Look for one with a fine-tooth mechanism for tighter turns, and an ergonomic handle that won't wear out your hand during long sessions. Don't forget extensions and adapters. They're lifesavers in tight spots. Whether you're reaching into an engine bay or behind an appliance, these little add-ons make a huge difference in accessibility and efficiency. Avoid cheap sets that snap mid-job. Trust me, it's not worth the frustration. A broken socket can halt your progress, damage your project, or even cause injury. Invest once, and you won't have to replace tools constantly. A solid socket set is your first step towards serious DIY success. It gives you the confidence to tackle repairs, upgrades, and builds with ease. Start strong and the rest of your toolkit will follow. Socket sets are great. They're fast, efficient, and perfect for many jobs. But they're not always the best tool for every situation. Sometimes, you need something with a little more finesse, a little more control. That's where combination wrenches come in. With an open end on one side and a box end on the other, they offer versatility that socket sets just can't match. They're perfect for tight spaces and stubborn bolts where a ratchet just won't fit. When you're working in cramped engine bays or behind awkward brackets, a combination wrench can be a lifesaver. Look for long-handled wrenches made from high-quality steel. They give you more leverage, which means less effort and more torque. Plus, they're built to last, even under heavy use. The open end is great for quick turns and getting into spots where the box end won't fit. It's ideal for speed and accessibility. Meanwhile, the box end gives you a solid grip and more torque, especially on stubborn or rusted bolts. It wraps around the fastener, reducing the chance of slipping or rounding it off. Having a full range of sizes ensures you're always prepared, whether you're working on a lawnmower, a motorcycle, or a full-size truck. No more hunting for the right fit. The right wrench can save your knuckles and your sanity. When the job gets tough, having the right tool in your hand makes all the difference. Screwdrivers and pliers, the unsung heroes of your toolbox. Get a full set of Phillips and flatheads with magnetic tips and comfy grips. For pliers, you'll want needle nose, slip joint, and channel lock varieties. Each type serves a purpose, from precision work to serious clamping. Bonus tip: go for insulated handles to protect against electrical shocks. These tools may be basic, but they're absolutely essential. A torque wrench is a game changer. It ensures bolts are tightened just right. Over-tightening can damage parts, while under-tightening can be dangerous. A click-type or beam-type torque wrench is perfect for most DIYers. Always check your vehicle's manual for the correct torque specs. It's like having the answer key to every bolt in your car. Precision matters, and a torque wrench delivers it. An OBD2 scanner gives you a direct line to your car's brain. It's a small device with a big job, helping you understand what's really going on under the hood. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just curious about that check engine light, this tool can be a game changer. Plug it into the diagnostic port, usually found under the dashboard, and it instantly connects to your vehicle's onboard computer. From there, it can read error codes, clear warning lights, and even provide insight into performance issues. Even basic models can save you a trip to the mechanic by identifying common problems like misfires, sensor failures, or emissions issues. It's a simple way to take control of your car's health. Want more? Advanced scanners go beyond just codes. They show live data like engine temperature, fuel efficiency, and oxygen sensor readings. Some even let you run system tests or customize vehicle settings. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. For your car. The difference in features and usability is night and day. No more guessing games, just answers. With an OBD2 scanner, you're not just reacting to problems, you're staying ahead of them. It's a smart, affordable way to keep your car running smoothly and confidently. A multimeter is your go-to tool for electrical diagnostics. It measures voltage, resistance, and continuity. Perfect for tracking down electrical gremlins. From dead batteries to faulty sensors, this tool sees what your eyes can't. It might look intimidating, but it's easier than you think. Once you learn it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. It's just not safe. Invest in a solid floor jack and a pair of heavy-duty jack stands. Make sure both are rated for more than your car's weight. A floor jack makes lifting easy, and jack stands keep things stable. This isn't the place to cut corners. Your life depends on it. Safety first, always. Oil changes are simple, unless you're wrestling with a stuck filter. An oil filter wrench grips tight and makes removal a breeze. Choose one that fits your filter type and say goodbye to messy struggles. It's a small tool that makes a big difference. Your hands and your driveway will thank you. Bleeding your brakes keeps them responsive and safe. A brake bleeding kit makes the job clean and easy. It's usually a two-person job, so grab a buddy. Follow your service manual for the correct procedure. Fresh fluid equals better braking. Don't forget the digital tools. They're just as important as the physical ones. Service manual subscriptions give you pro-level repair info. YouTube tutorials, absolute gold for visual learners. Online forums connect you with experienced DIYers, and apps can help you track maintenance and find parts fast. It's like having a mechanic in your pocket. With the right tools and a little know-how, you can handle almost any repair. Start small, build confidence, and expand your toolkit as you go. Be patient, stay safe, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Anyone can be a DIY mechanic. It just takes the right mindset. So get out there and show your car who's boss.